Onshoring is transforming manufacturing. But are you ready to seize the opportunity? Global disruptions, from pandemics to geopolitical shifts, are prompting companies to bring production back home. Onshoring isn't just a buzzword, it's a strategic shift that's reshaping supply chains and ROI. By relocating production closer to home, manufacturers gain tighter control over timelines and exceptional quality. Plus, onshoring slashes shipping costs and tariffs while enabling rapid response to sudden demand or design changes, cutting freight spend and lead times. Back on U.S. soil, you tap into a skilled workforce and advanced manufacturing ecosystems like smart factories and IoT-enabled plants for higher efficiency and innovation. It's also a green move, lowering emissions from shipping and enhancing brand value with Made in USA appeal. If you're manufacturing abroad, now's the time to bring it home. Onshoring, the smart move for control, cost savings, and brand strength.